Hello everyone and welcome to your first video lesson of this week. Isn't it fun? Okay, let's begin. Open your pupil's book or your student's book to page 68. Are you there? As you can see, page 68 is Get Culture, Kids London. Today we are going to learn about London, the capital city of England. Do you know London? I do, and I can tell you there are lots of interesting places to go and you can have lots of fun. Let's go. Have a look at the pictures on page 68. We have 3 pictures. Do you know any of these places? Hyde Park, the London Eye and the Thames, and the Natural History Museum? Well, let's focus on the first picture. Hyde Park is a very big park. It's huge. There is a lake, and in this park there are many ducks swimming on the lake. On the second picture, we can see the London Eye. It's fantastic because you can see all the city of London from the London Eye. And when you are at the top, everything looks very small. Let's go to picture number 3, the Natural History Museum. It's very interesting. There are lots of interesting things to see and to do there. Let's do something. Let's hear about some fun activities you can do in these places. So, exercise number 2, listen and read the text, and then we will try to match the photos A to D with the paragraphs 1 to 4. Are you with me? Now, read the text and listen.
Audio 2.49. Things to do at the weekend.
London is a fun city. There are a lot of things kids can do. Here are some of them.
1. Go to a museum.
How about the Natural History Museum? There are fun activities for kids. You can make dinosaur t-shirts, see a puppet show, or be a scientist for a day.
2. Family workshops.
Some museums have family workshops. Mums, dads and their kids can draw, paint or make things together. At the Cartoon Museum, you can make your own comic.
3. See a show.
London is famous for its musicals. There are many shows for all the family. You can sing and dance to the songs too.
4. See the city.
You can see London from the top of the London Eye or from a boat on the Thames. You can run, play football, skateboard or have a picnic in Hyde Park.
After we have listened, let's try to match the photos A, B, C and D with the paragraphs 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, number 1, go to a museum, matches with the last photo of It's D of the National History Museum. Am I right? Let's do number 2. Family workshops. Some museums have family workshops. They work together, doing some fun activities. Mums and dads and the kids can draw, they can paint, or make things together. At the Cartoon Museum, you can make your own comic. So, what do you think? Is it picture A, Hyde Park? Is it picture B, the London Eye? Is it picture C, the Thames? Or picture D, the Natural History Museum? Think. 3, 2, 1. It's D, the Natural History Museum. Very good. What about 3? See a show. London is famous for its musicals. Where can you see a show? Well, it's in picture B, the London Eye, and next to the London Eye there are places where you can visit the musicals. What about number 4? See the city. You can see the city. So from the top of the London Eye. So the match, the photo will be photo B, the London Eye. Right. So now let's move on to exercise number 3. Read the text again. You have to read individually the text again. And then you have to choose, circle, the correct answer. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I will read the answers, and as I go, you go along with me. So number 1, where can you skateboard? Do you like skateboarding? Where can you skateboard? In the London Eye capsules or in Hyde Park? The correct answer is Hyde Park. Let's go to number 3. Make a comic. Where can you make a comic? At a workshop or on the Thames? At a workshop with your parents and with your friends, or on the Thames in the river? It's at the workshop. Okay, circle at a workshop. What about the next one? Where can you sing? In the Natural History Museum or in a musical? Can you sing in the Natural History Museum? No. So the correct answer is in a musical. Very good. Let's go. Next step, number 4. Where can you go on a boat? From the top of the London Eye or on the Thames? You know this answer. On the Thames. Very good. And the last one, number 5. Where can you make a t-shirt? Where can you design your t-shirt? At the Natural History Museum or at the Cartoon Museum? Think or read. It's at the Cartoon Museum. Very good, very good. Now, let's move on to exercise number 4. Listen and write where the people are. Choose from the places in the box. Now, you will listen to some kids. Where are they? In a puppet show? The puppet, what is a puppet? Puppet shows is where people have like toys and they pretend to speak with the puppet. Yes? Hello, hello. This is a puppet. So, where are they? In a puppet show or in a drawing workshop, or in a musical. Okay? As you can see in your box, you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the first speaker is, number 1, is in the London Eye. Now, listen and choose. Are you ready? Let's go.
Audio 2.50. 1.
Hey, I can see our house. Where? There, behind the park. Can you see it? Yes, I can. It looks so small.
2.
Oh, this is really bad. That's it. I can't draw.
No, Mum. It's a very nice, dog?
It isn't a dog. It's a horse.
You're right. It is bad.
Oh, well.
3.
Can we sit here, Dad?
Let me see. We've got numbers 15 and 16. There they are.
I'm so happy. This is my favourite musical.
Good. I'm happy you're happy.
4.
This is Mork. Mork is a big dinosaur. He can't fly. This is Peter. Peter is a small dinosaur. He can fly.
Okay, so did you get the answers ready? Let's go. Now, so what are the answers to number 2? They are in a drawing workshop. That's right. And what about, where are they in number 3? They are in a musical. Very good. They have seats, tickets for the favorite musical. What about number 4? They are in a puppet show. Very good. Right. Now we get at the point where you have to work at home a little bit. Okay? Let's go to the last exercise. It's time to create a poster. Okay? Your poster will be, what can kids do where you live? Right? So, number 1. Step number 1. Think about fun activities you can do in your city. Think about nice fun activities you can do in Santa Coloma or in Barcelona or Barcelona. Okay? Step 2. Find some nice, amazing photos. Google online, ask your parents and select some nice photos for your poster. Right, step 3. Find interesting facts, interesting information about this activities you found, and write them down next to the photos in your poster. So, design a poster. Stick your pictures of a fun activities in your town. And then, on the side, write down interesting information, interesting facts about these fun activities. Are you ready? Once you finish, take a picture and send it to us back to this email. Okay? If you want, you can hashtag the corner challenges and upload your photo of your best poster. Right, good luck and see you next week. Bye.